Hi everyone, today I have a hazard perception test for you and I'll be playing you a video and you need to spot the developing hazard. So let's have a look at the video together. Make sure that you pay attention and see if you can spot the hazard. At the end I'll give you the right answer.
I wrote this song to remind me of you, of the time we spent together, laughing and sharing everything. I want this song to remind you of happy days. I wrote this song especially for you, as my thanks for making me smile again, and being there for me when I lost faith in love and didn't want to live. In every word there's a clue.
And the correct answer will be circled in the following clip. It will be circled in red. And again, here is the correct answer. And in a few seconds, I'll be giving you the explanation. So, keeping in mind the video, you are traveling on a country road. A sign warns you of the road becoming narrow up ahead. A car drives through the rail underpass ahead. There is another oncoming vehicle approaching, which becomes a developing hazard as the road narrows. So, you slow down and you let the car pass safely through the underpass. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video so you can see more. And don't forget to put those notification bells on so you are the first to know of any new videos I upload. Bye!